Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg, and today we got a sweet review for you. Many of you have been asking about the AWE dual Bashguard exhaust system. So today I'm going to show you the review of it on Big Z. I don't know, the ZR2. We haven't come up with a name either, so get in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. So we're going to give you that review. I'm going to show you a nice cold start here in a minute, and then how it sounds in the truck while driving, etc. Some revs for you. You know, that's the fun stuff that everybody wants to hear. Let's get to it. But first, take a look at the truck. It needs cleaned. I hate that Chevy has a rev limiter because it'd sound so much better if you could get that full rev. All right, let's get her cleaned up. I'm gonna apply this super clean degreaser. So what this fights is basically that tough to remove bug grime. Not really tough to remove, that's pretty gross. I'm just gonna pre-treat, let it sit on there as I get the soap ready. This will make it much easier to clean when it comes time for soap and water. Gotta get that windshield too, back of the mirrors. Using like a whole bottle of this stuff, but it's worth it. Now I'll let that sit on there, and it'll make it a million times easier to get this all clean. And the soap I've been using, kind of switch it around from time to time, is the Chemical Guys Hydro Suds. So just a little bit of soap here. I'm not gonna spray it in too much because I do not want it to be too foamy just yet. While I'm cleaning, get in the comments below, let me know what exhaust system you have on your truck. And if you have the AWE kit, let me know how you like yours. She looks good. at that dripping off. It's just brown. Damn, that's a lot. Detail the wheels. I'm using a synthetic quick detailer from Chemical Guys. It's a wet shine. Alright, so as you guys see, my exhaust tips come out just behind the bumper and they drop down. That is the AWE dual Bashguard kit. So you guys can get yours with discount code BLUEGARAGE at buyp3.com. I'll also throw that in the comments and the links below. Well guys, as you know, I installed my Peak suspension and then the new wheels and tires right after that, right before my Ocotillo video. Make sure you guys go back and check out both of those videos, or in this case, all three of those videos. Down below here, I have my old stock Multimatic DSSV shocks, front and rear, as well as the U-joints in the blocks and the upper control arms. If you're interested, let me know. Get in the comments below. I'll sell them to you. I could ship them. I have boxes, you know, already ready if you're willing. So just let me know if you're interested. And then over here, if you're local, Arizona, California, let me know. I have the stock 18-inch wheels and the 33-inch Goodyear tires, Goodyear Wrangler tires that come stock on the ZR2. 5, because 1 is the spare. Never use the spare either. So if you're interested, get in the comments below. Let me know. Be cool to meet some of you guys, and you know, maybe throw you guys in a video or something as we exchange the new tires for you guys, or new shocks set up for you guys. So let me know. We're gonna test out the AWE for you guys, or show you what it does. As you can tell, it's warmed up now. You got to see a couple cold starts there. And when it's warmed up, this is what it sounds like. I'm driving, you know, speeding up from 10 up to 15 miles per hour. So I'm just driving through the neighborhood, idling, cruising at about like 12 miles per hour here. Very little noise inside the cab. It actually sounds amazing. Once it's warmed up, it's incredible. Obviously that cold start is incredible as well. I scare one lady all the time as she's walking her baby unintentionally. I would never do that on purpose. Just so happened to happen 3 separate occasions, and I feel terrible for it, but she said hi to me today, so I think she's forgiving. 25, 30, 35. Let you guys listen. Very quiet in the cab, which is awesome. It's not obnoxious. Has that really deep tone to it on the outside though, which I'll show you here in a little bit. We'll get some passes and let you hear from the exterior. I love the exhaust. This is the AWE dual Bashguard exhaust. Sounds great. I'm just cruising at 38 miles per hour. So this is what you're gonna hear if I'm passing you. Some nice revs there, and I'll get some passes as I drive by my buddy Daniel here. You get to hear full throttle. I'll do one pass at 25, one pass at 35, and one full throttle at 60. That way you can hear what it actually sounds like. The first pass was actually at 26 miles per hour. Second one was at 35 exactly. The third pass, 70 miles per hour. And then that fourth pass was at about 93, just full throttle, just having a blast. Obviously, if you have a Silverado, they are speed limited to 98, so we're pretty close to full throttle, full speed there. Out of factory, that is, rev limited. So sounds great, feels awesome. I'll give you guys a quick pull here. I got traction control off, and yeah, we'll go just full throttle from a stop here for you guys, just for fun, because why not? Well guys, that is a wrap. Another video done. Had a blast doing this. Obviously the truck needed cleaned, but the main focus, the primary focus of today's video was the AWE dual Bashguard exhaust system for the ZR2 6.2 liter. So had a blast with it. It was great doing those pulls, always fun getting on it a little bit. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it with your friends. Make sure you tag me in your comments whenever you guys get your own AWE kit from buyp3.com. Make sure you also do one more thing, use Blue Garage for 10% off of your kit. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks guys.